Samuel. Today I am going to take class 8 chapter light part 3. In the video part 2 already we discussed about multiple reflection, dispersion of light and structure of human eye. Let's go to the video. First of all, we are going to learn about persistence of vision. What is persistence of vision, children? That is, the impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. We already studied the image is in our human eye, image is forming in retina itself. The image of an object does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists. It persists in the retina 1/16th of a second. So, what is persistence of vision? Once again, listen. The impression of an image does not vanish immediately from the retina. It persists at retina 1/16th of a second. This ability of human eye is known as persistence of vision. Now I am giving you one activity. Take a piece of cardboard, make 2 holes as shown in figure. Thread a string through the 2 holes. Draw a cage on one side of the cardboard and a bird on other side. Twist the string and make the card whirl rapidly. Then you can feel bird in cage. This is due to the persistence of vision. Next is range of vision of a normal human eye. That is about 25 centimeter to infinity. We can see from the distance from 25 centimeter to infinity, we can see very clearly. That is for a normal human eye, that is healthy human eye can see 25 centimeter to infinity. So this 25 centimeter is known as near point of human eye and this infinity is known as far point of human eye. Okay, next is about some common eye defects. First one, myopia. Second, hypermetropia. Third one, cataract. First is about myopia. What is myopia? See, myopia means a person can see the nearby objects clearly, but he can't see the far objects clearly. This condition is known as myopia and another name for myopia is short-sightedness. Short-sightedness. And next is how to correct this defect, myopia. By using a suitable power of concave lens, we can correct this myopia or short-sightedness. Next defect is hypermetropia. What is hypermetropia? Hypermetropia means a person can see far by objects clearly, but he can't see nearby objects clearly. This condition is known as hypermetropia and another name for hypermetropia is long sightedness. Long sightedness. And we want, if hypermetropia defect is came, we can correct by using suitable power of convex lens. Okay. Next is third defect, cataract. Cataract means in old age the eyesight becomes foggy, That means our crystalline lens becomes milky and cloudy. This condition is known as cataract. The reason for this cataract is the formation of opaque membrane over the crystalline lens. By taking a surgery, we can correct this cataract. If we are removing that opaque membrane from the crystalline lens, we can correct this cataract defect. Here I am discussing about care of the eyes. If there is any problem in your eyes, you should go to an eye specialist, have a regular checkup. If advised, use suitable spectacles. Too little or too much light is bad for eyes. Insufficient light causes eye strain and headaches. Too much light like that of the sun, a powerful lamp or a laser torch can injure the retina. Do not look at the sun or a powerful light directly. Never rub your eyes. If particles of dust go into your eyes, wash your eyes with clean water. If there is no improvement, go to a doctor. Wash your eyes frequently with clean water. Always read at the normal distance for vision. Do not read by bringing the book too close to your eyes or keeping it too far. Next is about Braille system. This is the last portion of this chapter. See children, the most popular resource for visually challenged person is Braille. This Braille system was invented by person, that is Louis Braille. Louis Braille invented this Braille system. He himself visually challenged person. The Braille system was published in 1821, but the present system was published in 1932. Braille system has 63 dot patterns or characters. Each character represents a letter, a combination of letters, a common word, or a grammatical sign. Dots are arranged in cells of 2 vertical rows of 3 dots each. Here you can see the patterns of dots to represent English alphabets. These patterns, when embossed on Braille sheets, help visually challenged persons to recognize words by touching. Now I am wind up in this video. I hope all are subscribe my channel. So comment, like and share.